There are several potentially toxic items that people may have in their homes. Here are some of the most common ones. Cleaning products. Many cleaning products contain harsh chemicals, such as ammonia, chlorine, and phosphates, which can be harmful if ingested or inhaled. There are non-toxic alternatives on the market you can purchase. Just be sure they are transparent on the ingredients and you understand what those ingredients are. You can also switch to non-toxic alternatives, like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Pesticides. A common toxin found in pesticides used on homes is called organophosphates. They are a class of chemicals that are used as insecticides, herbicides, and fungicides. These chemicals work by disrupting the nervous system of pests, but they can also be harmful to humans and other animals if ingested, inhaled, or absorbed through the skin. Organophosphate exposure has been linked to a variety of health problems, including headaches, nausea, dizziness, respiratory problems, and even long-term neurological damage. As an alternative, instead of using pesticides that can be harmful, try natural pest control methods like planting marigolds, using essential oils, or even using a pest control company that uses eco-friendly methods. Many air fresheners contain phthalates and benzene. In addition to phthalates, many air fresheners also contain other harmful chemicals, such as volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and formaldehyde, which can also be harmful if inhaled. Exposure to benzene can cause a range of health problems, including dizziness, headaches, nausea, and in severe cases, leukemia and other forms of cancer. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has classified benzene as a known human carcinogen, meaning that it has been shown to cause cancer in humans. As an alternative, opt for natural non-toxic air fresheners, such as essential oils or natural sprays, or simply open windows to let in fresh air to naturally freshen up your home. Personal care products. Certain cosmetics, hair products, and skin care items can contain chemicals like parabens, phthalates, and formaldehyde, which have been linked to health concerns. A common toxin found in makeup, shampoos, and lotions is called phthalates. Phthalates are a group of chemicals that are often used in cosmetics to improve their texture and durability. They are also used in fragrances to help the scent last longer. However, phthalates have been linked to a range of health issues, including reproductive problems, hormonal imbalances, and even certain types of cancer. It's important to choose natural alternatives, like coconut oil or shea butter for moisturizer, and non-toxic makeup brands that don't contain harmful chemicals. The common toxin found in nonstick cookware is called perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, or perfluorooctane sulfonate, PFOS. These chemicals are used to create the nonstick surface on many cookware products. PFOA and PFOS have been linked to a range of health issues, including high cholesterol, liver damage, decreased fertility, developmental issues in children, and even cancer. These chemicals can leach into food when the nonstick coating is scratched or damaged, or when the cookware is heated to high temperatures. To avoid exposure to these harmful chemicals, it's best to switch to cookware made from safer materials, such as stainless steel or ceramic. Another alternative to nonstick cookware is to use a seasoning process on cast iron pans, which creates a natural nonstick surface. To protect yourself and your family from lead paint, it's important to take precautions if you live in an older home. Here are some steps you can take. Get your home tested for lead. A professional can test your home for lead and let you know if any lead-based paint is present. Keep the paint in good condition. If your home does contain lead-based paint, it's important to keep it in good condition. Regularly check for peeling or chipping paint, and fix any issues right away. Avoid creating dust. If you need to sand or scrape the paint, take precautions to avoid creating dust. Use a HEPA vacuum to clean up any debris, and wear protective clothing and a respirator. Hire a professional. If you need to remove lead-based paint from your home, it's best to hire a professional who is trained in safe lead paint removal practices. Lead is a highly toxic metal that was commonly used in paint until the 1970s. If your home was built before this time, it may contain lead-based paint, which can be dangerous if it's disturbed or deteriorating. Lead paint can expose you to lead in several ways. When lead-based paint peels or chips, small particles of lead dust can be released into the air. Lead dust can also be created when lead-based paint is sanded or scraped. If you breathe in or ingest lead dust, it can accumulate in your body over time and lead to lead poisoning. Lead poisoning can cause a range of health problems, including damage to the brain and nervous system, developmental delays in children, and behavioral and learning problems. Pregnant women are also at risk, as lead can be passed from a mother to her unborn child, leading to serious developmental issues. When painting in your home, consider using a less toxic product like low VOC, volatile organic compound. Paint is a type of paint that is made with fewer harmful chemicals than traditional paints. These paints are often made with natural ingredients, such as clay or milk protein, and they emit fewer harmful fumes. Water-based paint is another alternative to lead-based paint. It is made with water as the primary solvent rather than oil-based solvents, which reduces the amount of harmful fumes and emissions. When selecting an alternative to lead-based paint, it's important to choose a high-quality, non-toxic paint that is safe for your home and your family. Be sure to read the labels and choose a paint that is low in VOCs and free from harmful chemicals. One of the most common toxins found in dishwasher pods is phosphates, which are used to help remove food and stains from dishes. While phosphates are effective at cleaning, they can be harmful to the environment and human health. When phosphates enter waterways, they can lead to algae blooms and other harmful environmental effects. In addition to phosphates, dishwasher pods can also contain other harmful chemicals, such as chlorine bleach and artificial fragrances. When these chemicals are released into the air during the dishwasher's cycle, they can be inhaled and can cause respiratory problems, headaches, and other health issues. To avoid these harmful toxins, there are several alternatives to traditional dishwasher pods, including natural dishwasher pods. There are many brands of natural dishwasher pods that are free from harmful chemicals and use natural ingredients, like plant-based enzymes to clean dishes. DIY dishwasher detergent. You can make your own dishwasher detergent using simple ingredients like baking soda, citric acid, and essential oils. There are many recipes available online. Eco-friendly dishwasher tablets. Many eco-friendly dishwasher tablets are made with natural ingredients and are free from harmful chemicals. You can also take steps to reduce your exposure to harmful dishwasher vapors. This can include running your dishwasher at night when you are not in the room, using a fan to circulate the air, and opening a window to allow fresh air in. Discovering the number of toxins present in our homes can be overwhelming, but taking steps to reduce exposure is essential for our health and well-being. By identifying the toxins in our homes and finding non-toxic alternatives, we can create a healthier living environment for ourselves and our families. So, take the time to educate yourself and become aware of the common toxins in your home. Start making small changes today to improve the air you breathe, the food you eat, and the products you use. Together, we can create a safer and healthier world for ourselves and future generations.